Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got some fantastic idea to help you take your home bar to the next level. Whether you are a seasoned mixologist or just love to entertain, these home bar cards ideas will add a touch of class and creativity to your space. Before we dive in, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our exciting home bar tips. Let's get started. First thing, let's talk about the basics. A well-stocked home bar start with the essential. You will need a section of spirits, mixer and garnish. Consider a stylish bar cart to keep your everything organized and within easy reach. Now let's talk about cocktail recipe cards. These are a fantastic addition to your home bar. Create cards with your favorite drinks recipe, complete with ingredients and instruction. It's a fun and practical way to impress your guests and keep your mixology skills sharp. For a creative twist, how about the mid cocktail cards? Organize your drink by categories like tropical delights, classic cocktails, or a seasonal specials. Your guest can choose drinks based on their mood or their oceans. To make your home bar truly unique, add a personalized touch to your cocktail cards. Consider your own adding your own intents or tips for each drink. It will give your bar a personal and inviting feel that your guest will appreciate. If you are a visual learner, create cocktail cards with pictures of the finished drinks. This way, your guest can get a snake's peek of what they are about to enjoy. It's great way to get everything excited about trying new drinks. For a more creative experience, consider QR codes cards. Each card could have a QR code that when scanned direct your guests to a video demonstration of how to make the drink. It's a modern twist on classic cocktail cards. There you have it, for home bar card ideas to evaluate your home bar experience. The basic cocktail SP card, personalization, visual inspiring, and interactive cards are the key ideas we have covered today. Try these out and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your followers home bar friends.